to SWAM online lecture series on the topic Database Management System. Myself, Mohammad Abdullah Bukhari, working as a professor in the Department of Computer Science, Aligarh Muslim University, Aligarh. I am pleased to have you join me today as we explore the fascinating realm of data, database, and database management system. In next few minutes, we will journey through the foundational concepts that form the backbone of modern information system, which is a database management system. About the data types, data and information, database management system, and next is why we use database. What is data? In other words, we can say that data is a collection of informations gathered by observations, measurements, research, or analysis. They may consist of facts, number, name, figures, or even description of things. Data may be organized in the form of graphs, charts, or table also. In simple terms, we can say that data is like a tiny piece of information. It can be number, it may be words, it may be pictures, or anything we want to store and to use. For example, the age is a data, your name is data, and even our temperature is also a data. We collect and organize in such a way that this piece of information is the processed data. In other words, we can say that on the data we cannot take any decision, or in information we can take a decision. Suppose a mark sheet of a student of bachelor degree. Initially, the individual marks of a student gathered from the teachers is data. We cannot examine, but the mark sheet of first year, second year, third year will become a data. They may consist of facts, number, names, figure, or even description of things. Let's discuss the data types. As we know that all the data is the same. Some are organized neatly like a school timetable. We can say structured data. Some are unstructured data. Some are a bit messy like doodles on notebooks. This is called unstructured data. So data is broadly defined into two: quantitative data and the qualitative data. Qualitative data, qualitative data is a descriptive, or it may be subjective. Quantitative data is maybe number. In the example, we can see on the screen that the qualitative data is the name, like Sam. I have given example. Colors, smell, fruity, smoky, peppermint. These are the example of qualitative data. And the next is the quantitative data is like number, shoe size 3, 4, 5, height of students, weight of students. I've already explained the data. By that we are not able to take any decision, and the information, the processed data is called information. Sometime data will become information, and sometime the information will become data depending on the. So data refers to raw facts, detailed or distinct piece of information that are collected, stored, and processed. It can be various form, including number, text, image, or any. Suppose if a train is coming on a station at 2:30 p.m., in this case the time 2:30 p.m. is the data. Okay. Information is the processed data and organized data that has context, relevance, and purposes. Its results form the interpretation and analysis of raw facts, making it meaningful and valuable for decision making. We take an example, if train is coming to a station, then the visual display on the station board showing a train's name, platform, and arrival time is information. Suppose I will take example a number 202002. Okay. By that it may be data, because we cannot take a decision. It may be phone number, it may be roll number, it may be pin code. But when you use in postal address to Mr. XYZ and blah blah blah, and then pin code you can say 2002, then by saying that you are able to understand, you are able to, oh, this is 100% a pin code of a city. It means it is a pin code of Aligarh Muslim city. The data will become information for one person, and the same will become information for other person. Suppose I'll take an example of a real life example. The data is the individual marks of a paper will become data. But after some processing, the first year of a mark sheet will become information for the student. Oh, he got a first division, second division, and he has got promoted to second year. Same way, the second year mark sheet is also a information. Okay, but the mark sheet of first year and second year, when you are preparing the third year mark sheet, the first year mark sheet of first year and the mark sheet of second year will become data for the mark sheet of second year, sorry, for third year, because in third year we need a mark sheet of first year and second year. So here in this case, the mark sheet, the information mark sheet of first year and second year will become a data for processing of a final year of mark sheet of a student. So in this is a very good example. I hope you will understand. Screen, you can see that the data and information. So data can be defined as a representation of a facts, concepts, or instructions in a formalized manner which should be suitable for communication, interpretation, and processing by human or electronic machine. In future, you want to analyze, so we have to design a secure system. So unauthorized person are not able to retrieve information. So we have to make a sensitive data. Also, there are different types of data. You have to make a data more secure. Information is organized or classified data which has some meaningful values for the receiver. Then we come to the database management system. Database management system is a collection of software which construct, expand, and maintain database. It also provides the interface between the users and data in the database. The DBMS provide multiple user interface with user program. The main purpose of a database management system is to operate large data on amount of information by storing. The main purpose is to storing data. For retrieving data, depending on requirement, you can retrieve data easily, you can store data efficiently, and manage data. There are many databases in database management system available, is like MySQL, Oracle, SQL Server. So database is a collection of software and maintain the database. So the main thing is that you have to know what is database. The database is a collection of related files. What is files? File is a collection of related records. This is a hierarchy. What is record? Record is a collection of related fields. In other words, you can say what is field? Field is a collection of related characters. It may be numeric, alphanumeric, or whatever. What is character? Character is a related of is a collection of related bytes. So here, what is database? In other words, we can say database is a collection of related files. There are different types of files. Student information system you are making for the different types of file. So highest element is the database, lowest is the, you can say, characters, or you can say fields, or sometimes you can say bytes. So in this way, we are able to understand database is a collection of our software, and software is also a collection of programs which tells a computer how to solve a problems. Then we come to the component of database management system. There are many components available in database management system. Each component has significant task in the database management system. Here I have discussed about the hardware, software, data, procedures, and data languages. The database environment is a collection of components that regulates of a data, managements, and a group of data. These components consist of people, the techniques of handle of database, hardware, software, so that we can say that. So we can say that we'll take one by one. So we'll take the hardware. In database management system, hardware is the most important visible part, and in other words, it is made of plastic and iron. You can say the equipment which is used for visibility of data, the printer, a scanner, systems. So these are the hardwares. In other words, in software, software is the main components of database. Is defined as a collection of programs that are used to instruct the computer about its work. Software is a collection of procedures, programs, and routine associated with computer systems. Then the term is the data. Data also have collection of raw facts organized but able to be organized into meaningful information. Or in other words, you can say a fact is stored in the database. And then the next is procedure. In the procedure, we can validate the data, control the access, and reduce the traffic between the server and the client. And the procedure by that will improve the performance of a system by using the development of the procedures. It means DBMS can offer a better performance to extensive or complex business logic when the user follow all the procedures correctly. The main purpose of the procedure is to guide the user during the management and operation of the data. Then data access language. Data access language is a language used to write command to access, update, delete, or you can say upset the data, or you can say you can delete data on the stored database. User can write a command. They can select in the MySQL. You can select the database. You can modify. There are three modification, deletion, and updation. All three operations you can done depending requirement. You can update the data. So data for that, so there are different types of DDL, data manipulation language, data definition language, data command language. So here in the screen you can see hardware. In DBMS, information hardware is the most important visible parts. And then software, already explained, software is the main component part of DBMS. as a collection of programs, you can say, and the data is raw facts stored on a database. The next database components are procedures. In DBMS, with help of procedure, we can validate the data, control the access, and reduce the traffic between the server and the client. By procedure, so procedures save the time also. And data access language, already it will use for the DDL, DML, and DCL. There are different type of languages are there.